Let's ask an expert. Georgie, a few questions coming in here for you. Lindsay says, should I preserve both the interior and the exterior of my log cabin?
If your log cabin is not pressure treated, then we would always recommend preserving both the inside and the outside. The only exception for that on the inside is if it's heated or insulated, then there's no need.
If you've got heating going in, maybe one of those electric heat or something like that, then generally that's not needed to be done.
No, not at all. For the interior, but exterior, untreated, always needs a wood preserver.
There's a lot of wrinkles going on the camera.
It's a well-used apron.
Yeah, it's got a lot of muck on it.
Simon has got in touch. Simon says, I have sanded my pine floorboards and would like to know if a varnish is more durable than a hard wax oil.
A varnish is more durable than a hard wax oil. It'll last longer and it requires less maintenance. However, a hard wax oil is a lot easier to spot repair, and yeah, there's pros and cons with both of them.
Okay.
Absolutely.
All right. And finally, a customer, probably Alison.
Probably, yeah.
What filler should I use for between my floorboards?
Okay, question we get a lot, and it's really important. We recommend that you use a flexible gap master for between the boards. When we walk on floorboards, they move slightly, and if a filler set's too hard, it will crack and fall out. So we do the Bonner gap master or the Osmo interior gap sealer for that.
I suppose if the gap gets too wide, though, then you probably need to replace the actual floorboard.
Absolutely, yeah. It'll only stand up to about 12 millimetres in width.
Worth knowing.
Worth knowing,
yeah. If you want to find out some more expert tips from the experts at Wood Finishes Direct, go to our website, woodfinishesdirect.com, where you'll find everything you need for your project at great prices. We've got it all, Georgie, haven't we? We've got oils, we've got paints.
We've got varnishes, stains, dyes, adhesives.
It just goes on.
It goes on and on. I could be here all day.
Everything that you need to get your project done properly.
Went better than I thought it would. A few bits where I was better.